Makeup Elsa.
Huh? Ew.
We will make Elsa look so beautiful.
Later. Hi everyone, I'm Olaf.
Wow, so many lipsticks. First, we will apply foundation. Next, draw the eyebrows in eyeliner. Apply eyeshadow. Blush the cheeks. Apply lipstick. Finally, straighten your hair and spray perfume.
Excellent.
Really beautiful. Lisa, make me a house.
Okay.
Woohoo!
Great.
I really like this bed.
The bed is so nice. I want to go to sleep.
Complete the house frame with cardboard and colored paper. I hope you like it. Pink, purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Wow.
Make a princess bed. Apply glue. Combine 2 pieces of cardboard. Cover with adhesive paper. Make the mattress. Add cotton on top. Cover with fabric. Cut off the excess fabric. Decorate the mattress with lace. Ta-da! Place the mattress on the bed. Draw the bed frame. Cut according to the drawing. Wrap the cardboard with foam. Add decorative gems.
Great.
Wow, the bed is so beautiful. I really like this bed. Let's go to sleep. Good night, Lisa. Make the table. Apply glue. Wrap the cardboard with paper. Make drawers for the chair. Use gems for chair legs. So beautiful. So cute. Add the mirror and makeup set. Wake up, Esla. Help me do my makeup. I will do your makeup. You are so beautiful, Esla. Thank you, Lisa. The bedroom is complete. Next, we will make the living room. Make the wardrobe. Combine the cardboard pieces to form the wardrobe. Make the doors. Ta-da! Decorate the wardrobe with Asla's picture.
Excellent.
the dresses inside the wardrobe. Make the sofa. Add cotton on the cardboard. Cover with fabric. Add gems for sofa legs.
Wow!
Place the table next to the sofa. The sofa is really comfortable. Make the railing for the stairs. Make the fish tank. Put water and fish in the tank. Wonderful! The house is complete.
The bed is so nice. I want to go to sleep. I'm so hungry. Do you have anything to eat, Lisa?